Today, we are excited to bring you some amazing, incredible inventions. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Jetivator. Experience aquatic adventure like never before with the Jetivator. This innovative water sports device takes thrill-seeking to new heights as it propels riders above the waves. With a unique design that combines a water bike and powerful water propulsion, the Jetivator allows riders to perform gravity-defying stunts, turns, and dives. Easy to control yet capable of impressive maneuvers, it caters to both beginners and adrenaline junkies. Elevate your water escapades and redefine fun with the Jetivator, where high-speed excitement meets the refreshing embrace of the open water for an unforgettable aquatic experience. Lazzarini Stratosfera. Lazzarini Stratosfera, a visionary marvel in automotive design, redefines the boundaries of luxury travel. This futuristic masterpiece combines aerodynamic prowess with cutting-edge aesthetics, presenting a streamlined and awe-inspiring vehicle. With its sleek, modular design, the Stratosfera seamlessly adapts to diverse environments, be it on land, water, or air. The embodiment of innovation, it features advanced technologies, ensuring a luxurious and efficient travel experience. Elevate your journey with the Lazzarini Stratosfera, where groundbreaking design meets unparalleled versatility, setting a new standard for those who crave the extraordinary in their quest for ultimate mobility. Adobe Project Primrose. Adobe Project Primrose, a groundbreaking venture in creative technology, emerges as an avant-garde platform for visual storytelling. This innovative project embodies Adobe's commitment to empowering creators, offering cutting-edge tools and features. Project Primrose integrates seamlessly into Adobe's creative ecosystem, providing intuitive interfaces and advanced capabilities to enhance digital content creation. From immersive virtual experiences to interactive multimedia, Project Primrose sets the stage for a new era in digital storytelling, amplifying the creative potential of artists, designers, and storytellers. Embrace the future of digital expression with Adobe Project Primrose as it shapes the landscape of visual narratives. Finite Machine P1. The Infinite Machine P1, a marvel of engineering and performance, propels automotive innovation into a new era. This high-performance vehicle seamlessly blends futuristic design with cutting-edge technology, offering an exhilarating driving experience. With its sleek aerodynamics and powerful electric drivetrain, the P1 redefines acceleration and efficiency. Meticulously crafted for speed and precision, it embodies the pinnacle of automotive excellence. The Infinite Machine P1 is not just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of the relentless pursuit of perfection in the world of electric vehicles, setting the stage for a thrilling and sustainable future on the road. Viral, a game-changer in the world of cinematography, unleashes creative possibilities with its innovative cable camera system. This compact and versatile device allows filmmakers and content creators to capture breathtaking shots from unique angles. Easy to set up and use, Viral transforms any location into a dynamic film set, providing smooth and controlled camera movements. From sweeping landscapes to dynamic action sequences, Viral enhances visual storytelling, offering a cost-effective solution for achieving professional-level cinematography. Elevate your content creation with Viral, where precision meets simplicity, unlocking a world of cinematic potential for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Endless Pools. Endless Pools, a revolution in aquatic fitness, brings the therapeutic benefits of water to your doorstep. These compact and customizable swim spas redefine home fitness, offering a space-efficient solution for swimming, exercise, and relaxation. With their adjustable current, users can tailor the water flow to any fitness level, creating a personalized aquatic workout. Whether for training, rehabilitation, or leisure, Endless Pools provide a year-round aquatic escape. With cutting-edge design and technology, they embody a commitment to wellness, enabling individuals to experience the joy and health benefits of swimming in the comfort of their own homes. Seadrone. Seadrone, a pioneer in underwater robotics, introduces a new era of aquatic exploration and inspection. This innovative submersible technology combines precision engineering with advanced autonomy, allowing users to remotely navigate and inspect underwater environments with unparalleled ease. Seadrone's modular design accommodates various payloads, making it versatile for a range of applications, from marine research to infrastructure inspection. With real-time data feedback and intuitive controls, Seadrone empowers professionals in fields such as oceanography, aquaculture, and infrastructure maintenance to explore and monitor the depths efficiently. Dive into the future of underwater exploration with Seadrone, where cutting-edge technology meets the mysteries of the sea. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.